We're going to replace the defrost thermostat. This requires wire splicing, crimping, and heat shrinking. If you are uncomfortable with this type of work, seek out the services of a trained service professional. This is located in the freezer behind the back panel. Remove the black clip and the shelf from the freezer. Using a socket screwdriver, remove the 2 screws holding the back panel in place. With a flathead screwdriver, release the clip locking the small square panel to the main panel. Remove the 2 connector clips from the back panel. Lower the back panel and disconnect the wiring harness from the back of the freezer. Unclip the defrost thermostat from the tubing and then unclip the wiring harness. Using wire snippers, cut the wires close to the defrost thermostat. Next, you'll need to strip the plastic coating from the wires as shown here. Do this for both of them. Take the supply and demand defrost thermostat from your kit. Remove the wire caps and strip the wires. Place the black heat shrink sleeves over both of the wires before crimping the wires in place. Using a crimping tool, secure the pink sleeves to the new defrost thermostat. You may have to cut the wires to fit them into the pink sleeves. Match the wires of the thermostat to the wires of the wiring harness connected to the freezer. Crimp together to secure. Once this is done, check your connections to make sure that they are secure and the wires are not easily pulled out. Next, slide the black heat shrink sleeve over this connection. Using a lighter, carefully heat these sleeves until they are snug around the wires. It is important to keep the lighter moving as you don't want to burn a hole through any wires. Do not use a heat gun or blowtorch for this, as you risk melting the plastic walls of the freezer. Once finished, clip the defrost thermostat back into place and plug in the wiring harness. There is a clip for the wires to slide into on the back of the freezer. Now, we'll lift the back panel and plug the wiring harness back in. Push the two connector clips back into place on the back panel. Once the back panel is upright, replace the screws and the square cover. Tilt the freezer shelf as shown here to get it back into the holes. Replace the black clip to keep the shelf from sliding or falling out. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.